Winning product lists are everywhere on YouTube. Heck, even I create one every single month. But what is a winning product list without the back-end tutorial on how those products were actually found? Let's not waste anyone's time. This video is quite literally me sitting here on my butt, looking through a bunch of different products while you get the unique opportunity of watching over my shoulder. Finding those golden nuggets that can transform into winning dropshipping products. This is going to be a bit of a more long-form piece of content because I will actually be looking for these products live with you. So just go grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. Let's start here with my favorite, which is Pinterest ads. So as I'm going through here, what I'm trying to do is identify ads like these. So a product like this, yes, this one might be a little bit branded, but realistically, it could be a dropshipping product as well. You can see it's kind of like a massager and a scrub brush. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up that kind of page's link just so that I can go back to it and check it out. As we go through, you're going to see that there's some that are promotions like this one, but then there's other ones that are like this that aren't exactly promotions. You can see it says promoted by when it is a promotion. Even these ones that aren't a promotion, go ahead and click on them. Go ahead and check them out because they might be a product or the product page that has good amounts of products that you can go ahead and check out as well. All of these pages have potential to have winning products on them. So as we go through, this one right here actually looks super interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that product page and open up that stores page as well. So let's go ahead and check out this product. So this thing actually looks pretty cool. It looks like it's got some pretty good profit margins. In general, it is a beauty product. Beauty products can be a little bit difficult to market, but this looks pretty good. Like we've got good profit margins. As we come down here, it looks like it's got some pretty good results. Like, I don't know if these are real, but that's pretty cool. A pretty well-made product page. So this actually is either some good inspiration or some good competition. But in general, this actually looks like a pretty cool product. So I'd say right off the bat right there, we already found one that has potential. So it's a microcurrent face toner. So let's keep this going. Let's go ahead, get back into here. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. It's like a foot wrap sock. I mean, kind of cool, but not really something that I think would have winning potential. Let's keep looking through here. Look at that face. That is hilarious. Look at that. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's check and see what else we got. Okay, this is kind of interesting. It's like a flashlight. Let's go ahead and check out that product page. Also open up the stores page. So it's essentially just a flashlight. Nothing crazy other than how like crazy powerful it is. Okay, and you can charge your phone with it too. So it's got kind of like multi-use, which is pretty cool. So it acts as a battery pack. So it's kind of like a survival flashlight that's super powerful. It does battery pack and it does direct beam. And then it looks like you can also have this so that it's kind of like a lantern as well. So that's pretty cool. A little bit of good kind of description going on here. You could probably get some inspiration, some good gifts going on there. But what really drew me in on this and why I kind of caught my attention is actually because of how this ad looks. So I'm looking at this ad and just when you watch it, like just watch this ad, like just look at it. It's something where when I'm looking for products, I'm not just looking for products, I'm looking for product ads as well. Because if I find an ad that catches my attention and I'm like, this is so cool, like this really catches my attention. If it does that for me, it's going to do that for my customers as well. So if I can find a product that already has a great ad creative or great ad possibilities, that really gives me a good idea of whether this product is something I would actually want to test. So that's why I'm going to add this to the list. I think this is another great product idea right here that we just found. All right, so as we scroll through, you'll see stuff like this. Like this was a winning product at one point, but it's something that's just so generic. Like it doesn't have a unique value proposition. Some of these products that have been winners in the past, you can go ahead and you can try them out again, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be successful again. It's something where you got to really kind of decide if that product still has a wide appeal and if it's still something where people will just buy it just because it's a great product, right? All right, now this is a great example of a product that has been a winner in the past and it can be a winner again. So it's a super cool product and generally speaking, I wouldn't recommend running this again, but we are coming into Christmas. So as you watch this ad, you can kind of see it's super entertaining. It's a really cool product. People will buy more than one of these. I know this because because I sold these in the past. So this is a great product that could potentially do really well around the Christmas season again, because it's very, very giftable. And look at this. This is exactly what I was talking about. The ads are super intriguing. So when I find an ad that works really well, I know that there's potential that the product's going to also work really well. So I think this might be another cool product, and I would add it to the list. Okay, so just continuing through here, this is one that I also found right here. It's pretty interesting. It is for children, so it's a little bit more niche down, but I think it has some great potential. So if we go ahead and open this up, you can see it's basically just a toothbrush, but it's super easy to use for kids. Now, I don't have kids, but I know people that have kids, and I know that for them, it can be a bit frustrating getting their kids to brush their teeth. But when it comes to this brush is unique in the sense that all they have to do is literally that back and forth motion, and they generally will get their teeth brushed. Like, it's better than not brushing them at all. And this product, just in general, you can see the ads are something that will draw people in just because it really catches your attention. So like right off the bat, this ad is like, look at this. We're brushing our teeth, cleaning our teeth, brushing our teeth, easy, super fun, super done. It's like a super fast sequence, and this is something that would work really great on TikTok ads. Then I think you could do really well with this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it to the list. Let's go ahead and look at this, because I think that this is pretty cool. I don't know what exactly is in the bottom. I think that that's like crystals or minerals or something. But if we look at this, what is rock your routine with rose quartz? Okay, there we go. So that's pretty cool. It's a water bottle with rose quartz in it. So something like this, I think, could be really cool if you could really get the aesthetic right and kind of figure out a way to communicate these benefits to the customer through your ad copy. I think this could be something that's really cool, and I'm gonna throw it on the list because we are coming into the season of gifts. And I think this would be a really cool gift for someone that's into like yoga, meditation, and stuff like that. All right, so that's enough of Pinterest. The next place that I'm going to be doing some product research with you all is on here. So this is CJ Dropshipping, the website. But on their homepage, you're going to see they have the recommended products for e-commerce platforms. So let's go ahead and check out the Etsy section first. And when it comes to this, we're not able to see the ads. So instead, what I'm looking for is really just uniqueness. Something like this, like a perfume bottle crystal pendant necklace. Like, what? And that's pretty much what this is. This is pretty cool. And it's a double down. It's a crystal necklace that doubles down as a perfume bottle. That is pretty cool, you guys. Like, come on. We're not even that far into our product research. I think this is awesome. This could do really well on TikTok. I'm going to throw it on the product list. I think this is a cool option. And let's just keep looking at this. Like, the Etsy tab is pretty damn good for finding cool jewelry pieces or like little knickknacks, like little weird things that people don't need, but you can really get kind of that viral effect and get people drawn in. This Beside Moon spherical simple table lamp. Now, we all know the classic moon lamp, but what is this? That is interesting. Look at that. So it's self-assembly, which is pretty awesome. Like, just in general, this is pretty cool. So it's like a moon lamp, but it's make it yourself. So you can make like unique ones. Look at this. You can even hang it in trees. I mean, like, I'm on the edge with this. I think it's pretty unique. I think it's pretty cool. I think for that price point, people might be interested in it, because like, especially this white one. I think this white one looks pretty elegant and kind of nice. Let's throw it on the list. I think it does have potential, and it's USB, which is awesome because anything with like a power cable kind of limits you on the countries you can market to. So USB is awesome. All right, let's go back over here and let's go ahead and check out the TikTok section. All right, so just coming through here, this one right here was one that caught my attention. So it has 1,360 lists. So that means 1,360 stores have listed this product. And I think this one just has a good kind of like use proposition. So what is it? It's a product that you can use on your feet. What does it do? It helps get rid of dead skin. Like, it's boring, I know, but I think it does have potential if you can nail the creative properly. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the list. Okay, now this one right here is super questionable. That's why I scrolled past it, but let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is niche because it's going to be like hippies, it's going to be spiritual people, it's going to be mermaid lovers, which is actually like a super passionate group of people. Very, very interesting group of people. But anyways, so it's like a mermaid kind of like potion bottle. I think this is something that potentially could do really, really well on TikTok. Like, it's so unique. It's so weird. It's so like out there, you know? So you know what? Screw it. I'm going to throw this on the list. Like, A general test for me doesn't cost much. It's maybe $50 to $150. So I would test something like this, honestly, just because I think if I do hit it right, it has potential to really blow up. Next thing that we're gonna do is come over here to the TikTok Creative Center. Now, once you get here, what you wanna go ahead and do is up here where you say trending searches, you may not have these, but if you do have them, just go ahead and click on it. If you don't, what we're gonna start off with is 50% off, and we're gonna make sure that we're sorting by the United States and 7 days. Then you can go ahead and also add an objective if you really wanted to. So we're gonna go ahead and add conversions. Or if you don't want to, like, don't even worry about it. We're doing 50% off, so majority of these are gonna be product ads. Not too many service ads will be 50% off. All right, so this one's interesting. I don't know how confident I would be with something like this, just because like it is kind of like a medical device in a sense. But if you look at this, they're basically like massage zappers. You place them wherever the heck you want, and then it sends good old electric shock through your body. So this is something that I think has a great problem solution type aspect to it. So I think it's kind of cool. If I could hit it with the correct marketing angle, I would. And that's why I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the list. Don't stop. You need to learn now how to actually go through and advertise all these winning products. And that's what the video that's appearing on the screen right now is for. Click it to learn exactly how to go through and test these dropshipping products to determine if they're actually winners. And if you want to become a member of my free Discord community, go find the first link down in the description of this video. And if you're a legend in the mix, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel.